My name is Becca McCurdy, and I am currently the Communications and Marketing Coordinator for BFI Innovations. Our home office is located just outside of Chicago in Elgin, Illinois. I've been with BFI for 2.5 years exactly, actually today, and I found my career. I was working in Columbus, Ohio, doing event planning, and I decided it was time for a new job, posted my resume on CareerBuilder, Monster.com, and AgCareers.com, which I just kind of found searching for some ag sites. I grew up in the ag industry, and my degree is in agriculture, and wanted to get back into the ag industry after being out of it for a couple years. Within 10 days of posting my resume on AgCareers.com, I got a phone call from someone who found it on there, and within 4 weeks' time, I would say, I was flown to Chicago for an interview, and within a week of that, I had a job offer and was on my way to relocating from Columbus, Ohio to Chicago, Illinois, and have had a great experience with the company I'm currently with. AgCareers.com was so easy to use, and I can't say enough about them. They've really helped me advance my career.